Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel and I'm here with another video, and in today's video I'm going to discuss about the role of wastegate and actuator of turbocharger in the engine performance. First you have to watch this video. This video shows you where the wastegate and actuator are lies. Viewers, this one is my turbochargers. I came on the Volvo wheel loader and here is a turbocharger. Okay, this side is exhaust and this side is a inlet air coming, enter from here and goes to the after turbocharger. So there are so many things which need to explain about the turbocharger, but today I am not going to talk about the turbocharger. I will make a separate video and explain about this turbochargers. So viewers, on this turbocharger, this one is our actuator and here is a one valve, and that valve is called wastegate. That wastegate open and close through this actuator, and this actuator is actuating by pneumatic system. And you can see this hose, this is an air hose, this is coming from the boost pressure. When according to boost pressure, this actuator is working and open and close this wastegate. So you watch the video. I hope you understand where the wastegate and actuator are lies. So first I clarify you what is the wastegate and what is its role. Wastegate is a valve that controls the exhaust gases to turbine in the turbocharger. Its main role to regulate the boost pressure, preventing the engine knock and ensuring the optimal performance. Now I focus on the actuators. What is the actuator and what is its role? Actuator is responsible of opening and closing the wastegate on based of the boost pressure. There are two types of actuators: pneumatic actuator and electronic actuator. Pneumatic actuator uses the diaphragm to respond the boost pressure, while electronic actuator offers more precise control through the sensor and electronic signals. So these are the role of the wastegate. Now we'll talk about the how wastegate and actuator works. So let's talk about how this mechanism work. When turbocharger build the boost pressure, that pressure sent to the actuator, and when that pressure reaches the predetermined level, the actuator opens the wastegate, and wastegate diverting the exhaust flow away from the turbine, and this prevent the overboosting and protect the engine. So there are some common issues to the wastegate and actuator. So here are the common issues and the diagnosis. There are three might be the issues. Number one, sticking wastegate due to the carbon buildup. When there is too much carbon is built inside the turbocharger, so wastegate can be stuck there. Number two, leaking diaphragm in the pneumatic actuators. Number three is a faulty electronic sensor in the electronic actuator. So how we can, these are the common issues to the wastegate and the actuators. So how we can diagnose it? So you have to take a boost pressure gauge, connect it to the actuator port and then increase the pressure. When you increase the pressure, so you have to monitor that operation. You will see when boost pressure will increase and it reach at predetermined levels, the boost pressure wastegate will open. So from that condition you can diagnose these issues. If you found this video is helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the icon button for the more technical videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.